Um, yeah. Bye, brother. So yeah, I don't know how, but I caught him on a game. Like him online anyway, so yeah. Hope he's off now. No, never mind. Still on. If you want to know his recording time, just come here at about 8:47 at least. Some point where he's recording or online. So yeah. And my brother just said, mrflimflam, you done goofed. Failed. Yelled it. So yeah. Scooby-Doo-Doo, Mr. Flimflam. You just done goofed. Ha ha! Thanks, Alberto. Hi. I'm Albert. These are my friends who are going to be the new friends. Yeah, also, I'm going to the website. Yeah, can I have some wows? Because in the movie, Marley and me, Marley the dog dies. Yeah, I've seen it. Account deleted. Okay. I'm so happy because I didn't expect them to be on right now. Yeah. So, I'm very happy I caught him, but I wish I could go in the game. Follow? No. I just want to play the game with him. I do not know his name. Really don't name friends. Travel along. One egg. Wanna know. Oh boy, I'm so happy I caught him. Oh, this makes my day, I guess, a bit better. I'm gonna go to this group. Okay. I just remember everything something. But then I caught him like doing that, so yeah. Join group. Okay, player huh? One. How many seconds? 3.4. Okay, that works. Everyone's on. Been getting what? So yeah. I feel very happy, I guess. I'm probably sad at the same time because I can't turn the game even. So, we also got 10 time. So, I'm very sad now. Wish. Whoosh. 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 Whooshy. Whoosh McWhoosh. Whoosh. Try some ramps. Hopefully, get some video. I don't know if I'm gonna be famous for this, but here you go. I wish I was his friend too, but or at least I could join the game. Well, I wish I was his friends. But we can't friend me or anything, at least I wish for him to be following me. I feel so bad. No. I'm good. Because he playing game and I got so happy that I must have been doing it. Yeah. Why me? Bye bye.